In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you all this real estate tracker that I created here in Notion. So if you have like a house or maybe an apartment that you stay in, and you want to keep track of the information related to that property, this is a great little template in Notion that you can keep track of everything in one little area. And that's basically what I do. I have the real estate tracker on my Notion, my main Notion page, and I keep track of everything related to my house, whether that be home insurance, mortgage lender, property tax, property warranty, preventive maintenance, even the home inventory. I keep a lot of that stuff, even parts and supplies related to my house in one little neat area. So I created this real estate tracker, and this is just the demo I'm going to show you. But I did want to kind of go over a few little areas of this and just kind of show you how it typically works. Okay. So as you see here, I have it opened up here on my screen. And right here is where you can keep all your real estate. So maybe you have, more than one. Maybe you got a vacation home or something. You can also have that in here as well. And basically, you just have to go here to New and set up a new home. Now you can either click on Untitled here, or you can click on New here. When you click on New, it'll open up this page. And you'll put in your purchase date. You can also put in the date that you sold it, and then you can archive it for later. You can put in your mortgage lender by clicking here and choosing whichever one it is. You can put in your home insurance, put it in here, and your home warranty. And all of these are hooked to your contacts database that's also included in this real estate tracker. You can also put your property's square footage, the year it was built, the type of family it is. You can also put in a cooling and heating, whether that's, electric cooling and heating, or maybe that's, space heaters or what have you. You can put all that information in here too. Your lot size, what size is your lot? Is it a half an acre, an acre? Put in how many bedrooms and bathrooms you have. Is it a basement? Do you have, flooring? What kind of flooring you want to put in there? Maybe you want to put the parcel number in here. And then, of course, you can tag it for a house, apartment, mobile home, or what have you. So I'm going to delete this one out of here. But if you see here, I have a demo one I set up. Purchase date. Put in the property square footage. I put in the year built. It's a single family home, central heat and air, half an acre, 3-bedroom, 1 bath, finished, laminate flooring, and I put it tag as a house. You also have this areas of house down here at the bottom. So when you click on that, it'll take you to different areas of the house so you can enter in information in those areas. Okay. Then you go back here to the real estate property. Go back to the dashboard and real estate tracker here. You see over here to the right, we have resources. You have a home inventory. You can keep track of your home inventory. By clicking that, it'll open up here to the side, and then you can put in your information. Of course, I have a demo one in here showing you the type of things you can put in here, right? And if you go over here to property maintenance checklist, you can create your checklist depending on your property maintenance that you want to, keep track of. I also have a property warranty information here where you can keep track of your property warranty. So if you want, you can have your contract date, contract price, files and media. Maybe you have everything on your Google Drive. You can attach that here as well. Policy number, property address, related to home warranty claims. So there's a home warranty claims database. So maybe you have a home warranty claim that you've submitted. You can keep track of that all in one place. It all links together. And then you got a warranty file. Over here you have property tax. So you can keep track of all your property tax information. Here you have your mortgage lender. Maybe you want to keep track of that. Maybe you have it under a mortgage and you want to keep track of all the information related to that. Policy number, property address, tags, current interest, date, loan maturity, original loan amount, and is it related to any of these contacts that you have? And I'll explain the contact section in a little bit, but basically it's just a contacts database. You can put your mortgage company in there and everything and have it all related to one little area. And then, of course, your office, the office phone will pull over related to that contact once you put in the name of the contact. Then you also have home insurance or homeowner's insurance, and you can enter in all the pertinent information here. Next, you have the company contacts, and this is where you can put in your mortgage lender or what have you. And then you got parts and supplies, so you can keep track of all your parts and supplies related to your home. Maybe you have specific light bulbs you buy, right? Maybe there's a specific air conditioning filter that you buy. Keep it all in one little area so you can find it, and you don't have to say, what was that air conditioner filter I used to buy? Or what's that refrigerator filter I used to buy? Or what was that light bulb? Maybe throwing all that packaging away and you don't remember. Well, you can keep it all here inside of the parts and supplies database. And then down here, we have databases, and this is how it all runs. Now, if you're wanting to take this template and put it into your other Notion template, then you can move that database to wherever you want. But don't delete the database, because if you delete this database, this is where the brains of the operation's at. So if you delete it, then all your information goes away. Okay? So just leave that alone if you're not an advanced user. Okay? So that is basically the real estate tracker. I hope you all enjoyed this short little episode. And if you're interested in this demo, check out the link down below in the description. I'll leave it down there so you can, purchase it if you want. And if you got any questions, feel free to shoot me some comments down there in the comments section. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.